quality matters because somebody's life might depend on something you're building.
Beyond human vision.
This has been the best company I've ever worked for.
Operating in a whirlwind.
We're allowed to shine and show what we've got.
Liteye is the definition of teamwork.
It's the warfighting. It's the getting it done.
This is our mission.
There was soldiers in danger.
A mission was waiting on our systems to get there before it could go forward.
Infrastructure being attacked. The new weapon was the drone.
At Liteye, we're not trying to predict the future. We're trying to build it.
A stark warning tonight from the Department of Homeland Security about the danger of drones.
Major airports shut down. All flights halted tonight.
And it's not just planes. In Syria, ISIS converted drones to drop bombs.
Unidentified drones over French atomic plants.
With the growing popularity of drones, there is a serious potential for disaster.
So back in 2015, the military put out the call. The new weapon was the drone.
What we do as a defense company can kind of be summed up as good and evil. We have to keep our eyes on new technologies that come down the pipe in order to use that for good.
Liteye produces products such as head-mounted displays, augmented weapons mounts, covert thermal cameras, small positioners. So we create systems such as the counter-UAS system, and we also do man-backpack portable radar systems and small cameras that can be taken into most rugged terrain and still give capability.
We focus on and provide critical infrastructure protection and life-saving solutions to a myriad of customers, be it our military, be it any other federal or commercial entity.
Whether it's small or large businesses, space launches, military bases, sports arenas, they want to protect what they have.
Our customers, our partners, what they tell us about Liteye is Liteye produces an amazing product. Our product works. Liteye does what they say they're going to do. Liteye delivers on time. Liteye delivers faster.
The stuff that we make here is just awesome.
You have the opportunity to start a design from a concept, hey, we like this. Could you make this happen?
From building cables to soldering the cables and the assembly of the product.
Bringing technologies together, integrating them in the approaches that we use and the methodologies that we use to really create that system of systems.
And a lot of that comes through just organic conversations between engineers with our field service operatives.
Field ops is where the rubber meets the road. It is where our equipment leaves production, goes downrange, and the personnel we have inside field operation, they understand downrange and they understand what the equipment is supposed to do. But as the threat evolves and as systems change, they have to come back to headquarters and say, hey, we have to change our product.
The culture at Liteye is very hard to describe to somebody until you walk through the doors at Liteye. Liteye is a bunch of fun.
We do serious work here. We all work very hard. We're all good at what we do, but we all know how to let loose and make each other laugh and appreciate one another.
Liteye has a culture that is just far superior than any other organization I've been with. Positive energy, happiness. Everybody is willing to do more than they normally do to help everybody out.
We've got folks here that just gel. It's not hard to find smart people in the world. It's really hard to find a lot of smart people that want to work together really well.
Right away, you feel like you're a part of this family and this goal.
And that is the culture that Kenneth and Tom have created. That's what we try to espouse into all of our people from day one.
I'm going to do the best I can for this organization, for this team, and for our warfighters out there.
We keep soldiers and airmen and Marines and sailors alive.
I am a fighter!
Every day we think about those guys that are out in the field putting themselves in harm's way and what can we do to increase that capability.
We all care about what we do because we do know that there are people's lives at stake.
I'm most proud of being able to make a contribution to our country and its safety.
We know that when we're sending something out, that product works. We're protecting the warfighter, and that's something that not everybody in this world can say.
We maintain that military culture. It's the camaraderie, it's the dedication to mission, it's the warfighting, it's the trusting and empowering your people at all costs.
At the end of the day, our job is to provide the American warfighter the ability to get home. That is my most proud moment that I have being with the company because I was that person for a long time.
When we approach a problem, we're always looking for the silver bullet.
We get the job done, but we do it together as a team.
We're all climbing on something, we're working on something, we're building something that we're all proud of at the end of the day.
I feel lucky that I have the opportunity to work here for a long time.
Maybe the worst day at work is probably better than my best day at my old job. But
we're making a difference here.
We can protect a lot of people very, very efficiently.
I think that's what keeps us going.
Even our customers have said that could only have happened at Liteye.
Liteye's got a really bright future.
We're in it for the long term.
I believe in it, and when I believe in something, I'm 100% in it.
We have a lot of things to still explore, and that's exciting.
At Liteye, our job is to take that beyond human vision of today and really build the beyond human vision of tomorrow.
That's what we do day in, day out.